Welcome to AminAcademy.com. Human anatomy and physiology. Let us discuss about pancreas and pancreatic islets. Your pancreas is a large tail shaped gland situated deep in your belly. It plays an important role in digestion and blood sugar regulation. Pancreatic disease can be hard to diagnose due to the location of the organ, but there are things you can do to reduce your risk of these conditions. What is pancreas? The pancreas is a large gland in the back of your abdomen, that is belly. It's part of your digestive system and your endocrine system. The pancreas is a dual organ like a factory with two production lines. It makes enzymes to help with digestion, hormones to control the amount of sugar in your bloodstream. Your pancreas helps with digestion and releases hormones that regulate your blood sugar. It also plays a role in supporting other organs like your heart, liver, and kidneys. Your pancreas makes about 1 to 4 liters of enzyme rich juice each day to help you digest the food you eat. The exact amount varies depending on how much food you eat. After you eat, you probably don't think much about how your food gets digested unless you develop indigestions. But several organs actually work together to help you break it down. Here's how it works when food enters your stomach. First, your pancreas releases juice into small ducts, tubes that flows into your main pancreatic duct. Your main pancreatic duct connects with your bile duct. This duct transports bile, a fluid that helps with digestion from your liver to your gallbladder. From your gallbladder, the bile travels to part of your small intestine called the duodenum. Both the bile and the pancreatic juice enter your duodenum to break down food, produces hormones. Your pancreas make hormones like insulin and glucagon that helps control the levels of sugar in your bloodstream. When your blood sugar is too high, your pancreas makes insulin to lower it. When your blood sugar is too low, your pancreas makes glucagon to increase it. Your body needs a balanced food sugar to run properly and to keep organs like your heart, liver, kidneys, and brain working well. Now we'll discuss further about pancreas and pancreatic islets. The pancreas is a gland located in the abdomen behind the stomach that plays a vital role in both digestion and blood sugar regulation. It produces digestive enzymes, that is pancreatic juice, and hormone like insulin and glucagon. The function, first digestion, how it happens. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes like the pancreas produces insulin and glucagon, which regulate blood sugar level. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose for energy, while glucagon raises blood sugar when it's low. The pancreas is an elongated tapered organ about the size of a small banana. It has a head, body, and tail, with the head nestled in the curve of the abdomen, the first part of the small intestine, and the tail ending towards the spleen. It has both endocrine digestive enzymes and endocrine hormones functions. Islets of Langerhans. Specialized clusters of cells within the pancreas that produces hormones like insulin and glucagon. Pancreatic ducts, tubes that carry pancreatic juice from the pancreas to the small intestine. Bile duct, the duct that carries bile produced by the liver to the small intestine where it aids in digestion. Ampulla, a water, the point where the pancreatic and bile ducts empty into the abdomen. Now, next, pancreatic islets. What is that? The endocrine pancreas consists of clusters of cells known as the pancreatic islets, scattered throughout the gland. Pancreatic hormones are secreted directly into the bloodstream and circulate through the body. This is an contrast to the exocrine pancreas and its associated ducts. There are three main types of cells in the pancreatic islets: alpha cells, which secrete glucagon; beta cells, which are the most numerous, secrete insulin; delta cells, which secrete somatostatin. The normal blood glucose level is between 3.5 to 8 mmol per liter, that is nearly 63 to 144 mg per 100 ml. Blood glucose levels are controlled mainly by the opposing action of the insulin and glucagon. Glucagon increases blood glucose level, insulin reduces blood glucose levels. Now we'll further discuss about what are pancreatic islets. Pancreatic islets, also known as the islets of Langerhans, are the clusters of the endocrine cells within the pancreas that play a crucial role in regulating blood sugar level. These islets contain various cell types, including alpha cells that produces glucagon and beta cells that produces insulin. They are essential for maintaining metabolic hemostasis, and their dysfunctions is linked to diabetes. Location: scattered throughout the pancreas, making a small portion, 1 to 2% of the total pancreatic mass. Cell type: pancreatic primarily contains alpha cells producing glucagon, beta cells producing insulin, and delta cells producing somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide cells producing pancreatic polypeptide. The function: the islets are responsible for producing and secreting hormones that regulate a blood glucose level. Insulin production: beta cells within the islets are specifically responsible for producing insulin, which help cells absorb glucose from the blood. Glucagon production: alpha cells produce glucagon, which raises blood glucose levels. Important in diabetes. Pancreatic islets dysfunctions, particularly beta cell loss, is a central factor in the development of both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. So far we discussed about pancreas and pancreatic islets.